This is a Frankia Titan motorhome. Now we're looking at over 200,000 for this. Depends on how it's been equipped. So I'm unable to give you a concrete price because the options are so complicated in this vehicle. Right, there's no light in here. What do you do when there's no light? You turn it on. Alright, so let's turn the 12 volt on first. Mind you, I've got to say this about Frankia, it takes a bit of a push to get your lights to come on, and then let's press this one here. Oh, it came on automatically. Actually, not all the lights are on, but we'll leave it like that because it looks quite good. German layout at the back. Storage around here. We've got this really magnificent large bed, Frovy system. Under here we've got a slide out. Very useful. I think that's ingenious. I must say, I must point out, of course, that Niesmann Bischoff started doing it a few years ago, so I think they were the first. I think they were first, there mightn't have been, I don't know who was the first. And even here, there you go, that is for the heating system, ALDE heating. I think there's a space, I can't stand space being wasted, but I think that's something to do with the television going up here as an option. I think. Alright, here we've got a door which is now open. Two doors come across, there you go, so you can lock yourself in the bedroom, and it looks like that. Toilet and shower. Toilet's heated. And okay, here 3 burners. Oh, this thing here's broken. This is what happens. People actually break things when they come in events like this, as I say in just about every single video. Nice sink with a domestic drainage, storage up here for glasses, storage above. And I can't see the point of this ledge, but it does have a plug above it for shore power. Down here we have got another slide out and drawers. Okay, here there's a face-to-face lounge. Okay, opinions vary. This table is out at its maximum extension, and so that's as big as it's going to get, but you can make it a bit smaller for when you're actually walking around. I've got a beeping noise in here. You know what that is? I hope it's not a bomb. Storage around there. It does look much better than having a bed up there. Look how much space it actually gives you. Great, eh? Well, the beeping's coming from somewhere around here. That's your grill, that's your freezer, and that's your fridge. Next to this we've got the pull-out pantry, and here we've got the television. The television, of course, swings around. I suppose you could try watching it on its side if you wanted to. Very nice vehicle in my opinion. It's on a Fiat basis. I don't think I said that. Oh, I'll just point out the double floor down here. So here we've got the ALDE heating unit. I've got the Truma frost guards down there. We've got the water pump and other things which are needed for the running of the vehicle. Here is a really nice feature. as you come in, you can open this up and you can stick your shoes down there. In fact, you can stick a lot of other things down there as well. Down here we've got, you know, more technical infrastructure. Steps up to the bed. This one comes with a fan up there. You could put air conditioning. I can't see the point actually, unless you've got a very strong battery capacity. These things are largely made to order, so you can have the battery capacity that you wanted. More or less within reason, of course. Oh, the beeping stopped once I go out. Door with a window in, and of course you can close the window should you require it to be closed. Here we've got storage there, but unfortunately it doesn't appear to have a door at the other side, so I'm just walking around here quickly because I can hear they've got some music on which shouldn't have on. Anyway, thanks very much for watching. Hope you found it interesting. All the best from me in Germany.